Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Benihana ginger sauce. Hit it. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Benihana ginger sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with a 1/4 cup of minced white onion, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fresh minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of fresh minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, as always, use a bowl that's big enough for all the ingredients. The recipe is in the description box below with the yield. This should make about 1 cup, but don't hold me to that because I can't remember. Add all your liquid in first. Give that a stir. I'm going to throw the sugar in next. And then our garlic and our ginger. And I did throw the onions in there, duh. Stir it up real well. Alright, well there we go. I'm going to plate this up with some food. We're going to take some photos of it for social media. We're going to put those photos into the timeline with some groovy music. We're going to come back and taste it. Don't go away. Dip it in there. Right off the bat, that ginger, and that soy, and that garlic just dominates that whole sauce. It's got some flavor to it, definite flavor to it. Yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit more here. It's been a while since I've been to a Benihana, but this is definitely a winner. You got 7 ingredients, very simple to make. Yeah, it's good with tempura, good with vegetables, of course seafood. Hey, appreciate you watching. Give this a try. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Say how we did. Have a good day. God bless. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.